Today I want to teach you that when an author describes something by suggesting it is like something else, something that actually is quite different, the author expects readers to bring those two distinct things together in ways that create a brand new, made-for-the-moment meaning. Let's take a look at the book Come On, Rain. I'm going to read the first few pages to you. Come on, rain, I say, squinting into the endless heat. Mama lifts a listless vine and sighs. 3 weeks and not a drop, she says, sagging over her parched plants. The sound of heavy truck rumbles past. Uneasy, Mama looks over to me. Is that thunder, Tessie? She asks. Mama hates thunder. I climb up the steps for a better look. It's just a truck, Mama, I say. I am sizzling like a hot potato. I ask Mama, may I put on my bathing suit? Absolutely not, Mama says, frowning from her straw hat. You'll burn all day out in this sun. Let's reconsider what Karen Hess, author of Come On Rain, wants us to be thinking. She doesn't just say it's a hot day, but instead she uses a particular kind of special language. She uses comparative language. When she talks about the heat waving off tar patches in broiling alleys and has a girl saying she is sizzling like a hot potato, what is she comparing the hot day to? And here is my next question. What special meaning does the author want us to get? Remember, that answer will come from thinking about the two things she is bringing together to compare and considering how they are alike. I want to read one more page in the book before we keep thinking about this. Up and down the block, cats pant. Heat wavers off tar patches in the broiling alleyway. Ms. Grace and Miss Vera bend, tending beds of drooping lupines. Not a sign of my friends Liz or Rosemary. Not a peep from my pal Jackie Joyce. I stare out over rooftops, past chimneys, into the way off distance. And that's when I see it coming. Clouds rolling in. Gray clouds, bunched and bulging under a purple sky. A creeper of hope circles round my bones. Come on, rain, I whisper. What are the two things? A potato and a summer day? That's odd. Wait, I think she is saying the girl is like a sizzling potato. And I'm seeing that the comparison is stretched out more because a few lines away, she says the alley is broiling. So what are the things the author is bringing together? The summer day and could it be cooking? Cooking is the broiler. I'm thinking she's saying that the day was so hot it was as if they were living in the oven when it is turned to the broil. The girl is really hot outside, like a potato in the oven is really hot. What do you think? What an image! Do you know what the oven is like when the broiler is on? Think about what that summer day must have been like. So I'm hoping you notice that we could have just summed up the special language in Come On Rain by saying it was a really hot day. But we know authors use special language for a reason. They really want us to see or to know something particular. So we ask, what special meaning does the author want me to get? And when the author has compared two things, especially two things that aren't actually all that much alike, like a girl and a potato, we try to understand that special meaning by bringing those two things together and thinking about how they're alike. Did you notice that Karen Hess didn't actually say the summer day was like an oven turned on to broil? She used words that led us, her readers, to create a vivid picture in our minds, helping us imagine what it would feel like to be there. So this is not easy reading work, but it's worth it because it engages our imaginations and brings the scene to life.